Hello dear friends, welcome to my channels. Today's discussions is work energy and power. A block A of mass 5 kg is attached with a spring having force constant K equals to 2000 Newton per meter. The other end of the spring is fixed to a rough plane inclined at 37 degree with horizontal and having coefficient of frictions m equals to 0.025. Block A is gently placed on the plane block A is gently placed on the plane such that the spring has no tension. The spring has no tension. Block A is gently okay. Then block A released slowly. Calculate the elongation of the spring when equilibrium is achieved. Now a inextensible thread is connected with a block A and passed below pulley C. So pulley D is as shown in figure. So friends, you see this is my figure. This is my A block, C block, D block, and B block. Okay. So and the other end the thread is connected another block. You see another block B block of mass 3 kg. So this block, this is the 3 kg is the weight of the block, and A block weight I don't know. Okay, no problem. So at first I draw a free body diagram. Free body diagram is very important. So I draw for the A the free body diagram. First is kx0, kx0, and mg cos 37 degree is my cos 37 degree in here. Okay, and mg sine 37 degree, mg sine and me is my frictional. Okay, this is the total because friction is the opposite direction, that's why. And this is the spring force. We know the spring force is k x0. Okay, k is the constant, elongation constant. So friends, I used to this this is my free body diagram. So t0 is equal to, I can write this way, t0 is equal to k x0. This is my spring force, and k value is 2000 x0, because you can see my 2000 Newton per meter. Okay, this is k. So k value is 2000 Newton per meter. So I used this value in here. K is equal to 2000 into x0. x0 is my length. Okay, and considering the free body diagram, okay, we just considering free body diagram, whatever we see n equals to normal direction equals to mg cos 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 37 degree. Okay, very simple. Minus 40n, minus 40n means normal. How? Because 40n normal directions, because 5 kg a mass of the A is equal to 5 kg. Okay, mass of the A is equal to 5 kg, and 40n is equal to, because mg cos 37 degree, and 40n is my pressure. Free body, for free body diagram, if you follow, then it is my normal reaction. So total normal reaction is equal to 40 N. Okay, and Kx0 plus mu is equal to sine mg sine 37 degree is equal to mg sine 37 degree. So solving equation 1, this is my equation 1, 40 N, this is my 1, and this is my equation 2. So whatever I get, x0 is equal to 0.01 meter, because how, just putting the value of the normal reaction is my 40 N. Okay, just putting the value normal reactions, mg cos 37 degree, mg is equal to my 5 is my mg, and g is equal to, so just putting this value in here n, so we get the value, this value, okay, is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now you will see the calculation if you need, so you will use the, you just put the value of the 5 into, okay, and g value is equal to 10 meter per second square is given, 10 meter per second square, because you check, okay, 10 meter per second square it is given, okay, 10 meter per second square, okay, and cos 37 degree minus, get the value, use just calculator, use just only calculator, 50 into cos 37 degree, okay, cos 37 degree, how much value, 50 cos 37 degree, 38.27 minus 40 Newton is equal to minus 40 equals to, we get minus 1.72, okay, minus 1.72, and putting this value in here, mu value, so you can get easily the value from here, okay, so no problem, just putting mu is equal to, mu is given, how much value of mu is equal to coefficient of the friction m is equal to 0.025, coefficient of the friction m 0.025, so mu into n, just multiply mu into mu n, mu into n equal to 0.025, just multiply with n means 1.72, and get the value with the calculator and calculate this value. I think that you can easily find out kx0 formula wise, mg sine 37 degree, mg is equal to in here 5 minus mu n, okay, just put. Now a block now block A is jerked into motion and large tension for a very very small time interval is developed in string, due to which both the blocks A and B experiences numerically equal impulses. So friends, let its magnitude be J and combined speed blocks V. So then for block of J, impulse is equals to J equals to 5V, okay, because mass into velocity. And for block A, this is for block A, and for block B we get 3V0 plus J equals to 3V. Okay, this is for block B. For block B, and solving this total from 3 and 4, if we see, this is my 3, this is 3, this is 4. From 3 we have V equal to V equals to 0.5 meter per second, 0.5 meter per second. Okay. Okay. Now I have to show that how I get V0 values. V0 values, how can I get? This is my V0. Okay. When table collapse, first block falls, B falls under gravity through height 8 by 9. H is my height 80 by 9. This is the first block. Block B falls freely. First block B 80 by 9. Therefore, its speed just before the string becomes V0 equal to, okay, V0 is equal to root over 2G into H. H is equal to 0.89 equals to 4 by 3 meter per second. I apply this value in here. Okay, by the calculator I get this value 0.5 meter per second. At the instant maximum elongation of spring, blocks are momentarily at rest. Let distance moved by the blocks bx from the instant when block A was jerked into motion to the instant of maximum elongation of the spring. According to law of conservation of energy, loss of potential energy, loss of potential energy A, loss of potential energy of A, loss of loss of energy, potential energy of B, energy of B, loss of kinetic energy of blocks. Kinetic energy of equals to increase in energy stored, in energy stored stored in spring block against friction. Work done by the block against friction. Okay, against. So 5g x into 30 sine 37 degree. Okay, this is the loss of the potential energy x sine 37 degree. Okay, plus 3gx plus half into 5 v square into, okay, plus half v square, and this value is equal to k half into k x0 plus x whole square minus half k. Now friends, I use this formula. You see that loss of potential energy A and loss of potential energy B is equal to loss of kinetic energy of blocks. This formula I apply because this question is very important for IIT JAM, IIT and IIT examinations. So friends, x0 plus x plus mu n x. Okay, so my x0 is equal to, putting the value of x0 is equal to 1 centimeter in here because you used this equation in here, and half divided by, okay, calculation, this work it calculate. Okay, and now you get, for after calculating, because time is very small, so that it is 0.5 millimeter or 5 centimeter. Okay, so this part we need to understand the concept. What is concept? Laws of energy conservations. Okay, so initial energy and final energy always equal. So my answer is maximum elongation initial elongation x0 plus and elongation further elongation, that is 1 plus 5 is equal to 6 centimeter. So friends, now we will check total work, because we need to know, check the total PDF at a glance. Okay, so what is the question? Maximum elongation of spring in process of motion, so 6 centimeter. And another factor is that 80 by 9, it is already given that 80 by 9, which formula? V square is equal to 2gh formula. Okay, this formula I used in here. V square is equal to 2gh because u is equal to 0. So this formula I apply in here and I find out the values of V. Okay, and my formula is the kx0, t0 is equal to kx0 because we know this formula, and n is equal to mg cos 37 degree minus 40 n. Okay, this formula I have to use, because when a free body diagram, you see that mg cos 37 degree, because when it is you know that when it is the normal reaction is in here, and mg cos 37 degree, mg is in here, mg is in here, mg, and this is the normal 37 degree, cos 37 degree, and extra is 40 Newton is attached. Okay, 40 Newton. So how I get it from frictional force. Okay, frictional force, from the frictional force we get 40 Newton, and k x0 plus mu n, because friction is also opposite to the, and mg sine 37 degree, this is the very clear equation, and x0 I get from the value, when I am putting the value mu is equal to, in here mu is given 0.025 to 0.025, when I am putting the value, and n value when I am putting, then I get 1 centimeter is my values. So I hope, and n value you will find out this way. So friends, I hope you can understand this total problem, and total concept is clear, and very simple, but need to know the concept, and concept is that loss of potential energy of B, loss of kinetic energy of blocks is equal to increase in energy stored in spring and work done by the block against frictions. So thanks for watching. I hope it is clear. Here is some error I have I did, so sorry for that, because it is not 40n. Okay, 40n, I just, this is my mistake, that is the mg cos 37 degree and kx0. So if you calculate in here, that kx0 plus mu 37 degree is equal to mg sine 37 degree, then x0 is equal to sine 37 degree 37 mu mg cos 37 degree divided by k. So this is my putting the value of k, and you get x0 is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay friends, I hope it is clear. There is a small mistake error, that is not 40, because you see, if you calculate the normal reactions, so how reaction is this way, so this is my n, so n equals to obviously mg cos 37 degree. Thanks for watching. I hope it is clear for everyone.